Hello, here I would like to show you how to start this diesel generator. Let's start. Step 1. Fill in the right type engine oil. Checking the oil gauge to fit the meter. Be sure to use the qualified engine oil, not bleed bike. Step 2. Collect the battery. Collect the wire to battery. Red is to positive, blue is to negative. Collect them. Step 3. Fill in fuel. Open the top cover and fill in the diesel. Now we can turn the key to check oil status. Turn the key to on to check the oil status. Turn the key to start. When it starts working, back to on. Now you can use the electricity. Switch it to off to stop the generator.